I ended up buying a cold air intake from some guy off of Facebook. Normally this thing costs like $400-500, but I was able to cop it for only like $150. So boom, it was a steal. When I went to install it, however, there was parts that were stripped, there was some missing hardware, and I was like, I can't set this up. So I actually ended up reaching out to K&N, talked to them over the phone, and then I told them what was going on. They said, yeah, just email us a picture of all the parts that you need and we'll send it to you. I went ahead and did that, and then they sent me the hardware. Basically, they sent me more than I asked for too, which is everything in here. It took a couple days, but it was completely free, so honestly, I am not complaining. I'm about to take all this stuff right now to my car, install it, see how that sounds, and yeah, we'll give it a shot. Okay, so I got the cold air intake in. It was a little bit difficult. There was a lot of like finessing that I had to do just because it didn't fit as snug as I wanted it to, but I was able to get it in. There it is. Hell yeah. And I'm about to turn on the car, see what it sounds like. Just hope I didn't fuck anything up. Oh, that's just on my freaking camera. It's not doing that in real life. Perfect. I was freaking out for a second. Alright. Ooh, no bueno. Wait, I don't think I connect the master flow sensor back. I did. I connected upside down. In the back. See, disconnect, reconnect. Let's tighten down that bolt. I don't think that should do anything, but okay, a little bit scared right now. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Nice and snug. I'm scared. Alright, sick. I guess it was just in this battery connector. Air intake's in. Not feel really anything loose. Alright, so I took it out for a test drive. No engine light, no nothing. Good. Only thing that I had a problem was this had a lot of play, so I ended up adding another hose clamp right there, 1 and 2, just so it holds on a little bit more snug. And yeah,